Recoveryfix PST to Office 365 is advanced software that facilitates the migration of OST or PST files to Office 365 regardless of their size or number. The software also allows you to import OST or PST files to a specific account's mailbox. To import your OST or PST files, start Recoveryfix PST to Office 365 software by typing its name in the search bar and click on it. On the home screen of the software, you'll find an Add option. Click on it to initiate the process of adding your OST or PST files for migration. Browse the folder where your OST or PST files are stored and press Open to continue with the process. Once you've added your OST or PST files to the software, the next step is to connect to your Office 365 account. To do this, click on the Connect option and enter the required details. Choose Modern Authentication as the login option, then tap on the OK button. Type Tenant ID, Client ID, Client Secret Value, and Email ID in the respective fields. Afterward, click on List All Mailboxes using the above credentials option, then tap on Get User Mailboxes. It will show all the associated accounts which can be selected with the help of the checkboxes in front of them. Then, click on the Add button when your selection is done. Map the source data files and destination mailboxes with the help of the drop-down list and press on the Set Filter and Migrate option. In this window, you can opt to migrate your PST files to the mailbox, archive mailbox, or public folder using the drop-down list, then click on Migrate to proceed further. Once the software has loaded all the contained folders of your added PST files, you have the power to select specific folders manually using checkboxes. You can also apply different filters such as date range and item type, exclude deleted or empty folders to import selective folders from the added PST files. When you're ready, tap on the I am OK Start Migration option to initiate the migration process. The software will start the migration process of PST files to your Office 365 account. Also, you can monitor the ongoing process from the screen, ensuring transparency and reliability. After the successful migration of PST files, you will get a message that the process is completed, then click OK to proceed. Finally, save the complete report of the migration process in CSV format and tap on OK to close the process. With these simple steps, you can efficiently migrate PST files to your Office 365 without any hassle. To explore more features of the tool, visit its webpage link given in description. Have a great day.